For decades, the internet has relied on one invisible bottleneck: light. Every message you send, every AI model you run, every video you stream, all of it moves as light through fiber optic cables. And now, that system is reaching its physical limits. This is where Lightwave Logic comes in. Lightwave Logic, ticker symbol LWLG, is a small and often ignored company working on a technology that could quietly reshape the future of data, AI, and global communications. Not by building chips, not by building data centers, but by changing the material that controls light itself. The problem. No one talks about. Modern data networks rely on silicon photonics. Silicon is good, but it's not perfect. As AI models grow larger, data traffic is exploding. Servers need to move more information, faster, using less power. But silicon modulators are hitting limits. They consume too much energy, they generate heat, and scaling them further is becoming harder and more expensive. In simple terms, the digital world is asking light to move faster than current materials allow. What Lightwave Logic does differently. Lightwave Logic is developing electro-optic polymers. Instead of using silicon to manipulate light, they use specially engineered organic materials. These polymers respond to electrical signals much faster than silicon. That means higher data speeds, lower power consumption, less heat, and smaller devices. In a world driven by AI, cloud computing, and real-time data, this matters more than almost anything else. Lightwave Logic isn't trying to replace fiber optics. They're trying to upgrade the core component that makes fiber optics work. Why this is a 0 to 1 company. Peter Thiel famously said real breakthroughs don't come from competition. They come from creating something new. Lightwave Logic fits that idea perfectly. They are not fighting NVIDIA. They are not competing with Intel or AMD. They are creating a new material category inside photonics. If their polymers become the industry standard, competitors don't just lose market share, they become irrelevant. That's what real monopoly potential looks like. Why the market is ignoring LWLG. Right now, Lightwave Logic doesn't have massive revenue, and that's exactly why most investors ignore it. This company is still in the validation phase, proving reliability, proving scalability, proving compatibility with existing manufacturing. Big companies don't adopt new materials overnight, but once they do, switching costs become enormous, and adoption tends to snowball. This is how infrastructure revolutions always start: quietly, slowly, then all at once. Who needs this technology? If Lightwave Logic succeeds, their technology could be used by data centers running AI models, telecom companies upgrading 5G and future networks, cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google, high-performance computing systems, defense and aerospace communications. Anywhere data moves at the speed of light, this technology matters. What has to go right for Lightwave Logic to become a giant? 3 things must happen. First, their polymers must prove long-term stability in real-world environments. Second, they must integrate seamlessly with existing chip manufacturing processes. And third, they need a major commercial partner to scale production. If those boxes get checked, the upside is enormous. If not, the stock struggles. This is not a safe company, it's a high-risk, high-conviction bet. Why LWLG could survive an AI crash. If the AI bubble bursts, hype companies disappear, but infrastructure companies survive. Lightwave Logic doesn't sell hype. They sell a physical improvement to how data moves. Even if AI slows down, global data traffic will keep growing. Cloud computing will keep expanding. Networks will still need to move more information with less energy. That's why this company could emerge stronger after a crash, not weaker. The big picture. Lightwave Logic is not a company you trade. It's a company you understand or you ignore completely. If they succeed, this could be one of those stocks people say, "I heard about it when it was small." If they fail, it will fade quietly. That's the nature of 0 to 1 bets. But history shows us something important. The companies that quietly upgrade the world's foundations often end up shaping everything built on top of them. Lightwave Logic may not look exciting today, but neither did the GPU before the AI revolution.